Clickbaiters rejoice. It's finally time for the long-awaited GPT-5. Now, I said yesterday I wouldn't make a video about this, but people are asking me to, so I will run this through my standard test. Now, a little bit of context on this test. This is what we're trying to create right here, Rolls-Royce Rentals. So far, the only two models that have ever been able to do this are any of the Anthropic 4 models, so Claude 4.0 or 4.1 Opus, 4.0 Sonnet as well, and Google Gemini 2.5 Pro. So now we're going to see if OpenAI has finally caught up a bit with GPT-5. So we're going to run through this right now. So I have everything on my school community, but you can also just, find it yourselves across the internet. It's not that hard to find, but basically all my prompts and workflows right here. And we're going to just run through this SOP right here. So instead of my app, I'm just going to put a full stop here like that. And we're going to be using Klein, no MCPs. This is the normal benchmark that I normally do. So yeah, there's no cheating or anything like that. So I'm just going to search for Rolls-Royce here, and I'm going to look for a previous version of this project. Let's just search Rolls instead. Maybe that'll work. There we go. So what I'm looking for here is this folder right here, this public folder. I'm going to put this inside this folder right here. So I'm just going to control click this to open it up, and then I'm going to paste public inside here. This basically just has some images in for the prompt to use, basically. We're going to jump on back over to Klein, and we're just going to dump this in. And we're going to see what happens, basically. So we'll just dump this in, make sure we're on GPT-5, and hit enter. So let's see if this works, first of all. Might be a problem with OpenRouter. We'll just see in a moment if this runs or not. Okay, so it's running. So I'm just going to let this run for a little bit while this is running. Let's just have a little look at the model card. So 400,000 context, which is an improvement. I definitely prefer 1 million, but let's just see quickly if GPT-5 Mini has 1 million, because if so, and it's cheap, I will probably upgrade to GPT-5 Mini for a lot of things. It's pretty cheap, 400,000 though. Yeah, I'm just not sure yet if I'm going to make the switch. I would have really liked it to have 1 million context window instead. Let's see if Nano has, I'm guessing it has 400,000 as well though, yeah it does. Nano is very cheap. If this is a decent model, this might be the new SOTA model for like cheap scraping things. I wish it had 1 million context, but it is what it is. Let's see what else we're looking at right here. So it's, so this is the official kind of thing. I don't really like looking at these, to be honest with you, but I will just quickly run through it. So it says it's great at coding. I mean, if they didn't have that on there, they would be pretty damn stupid, in my opinion. GPT-5 coding and design. This is what I'm really excited for. So I had a feeling they were going to focus on design elements because it's the easiest thing to improve over their competitors. And it's also the most obvious thing. Like, design is like, if you make good design, it means that it's more obvious to people because design is what people actually see. So I think that's pretty damn interesting, to be honest with you. But the thing that I am excited to see is whether this lives up to the hype. Now, I will be completely honest, as you guys know, with this review. I won't be biased in any way. If this does blow me away and do an amazing design and everything works, then, I mean, I will say so. So I'm pretty excited for this one, to be honest with you. It's been a while since I've looked at any GPT models, to be honest. I just kind of gave up on OpenAI. This is OpenAI's pretty much last chance to grab me again. So we'll see how they do. And then the only other important thing that we need to talk about is, of course, the price. $1.25 per 1 million input tokens and 10 million output tokens. So if this is a model that is competing with Sonnet and Opus and Gemini 2.5 Pro and is better than them and cheaper, I mean, I'm down, honestly. I'm really, really down. One thing that's pretty nice so far is this does seem very, very fast. Now, there is going to be some issues with it being a new model. Sometimes it doesn't work with Klein straight away. So we'll just see if it can actually work through those or whether this video is going to have to turn into something else. Okay, so Chatgpt 5 just finished. I didn't think I'd be saying that for a very long time, I'm not going to lie. Let's open this up. Let's see if it works. Looks like it loaded. Oh, Yeah, that looks fucking nice. That's exactly what I said. They've focused on design. It's really smart by OpenAI. Fair play to you lads, honestly. Oh, that failed. Fair play, honestly. I understand why they've done that. Because, you know, visual things are so effective and they've caught my attention here. This is 10 out of 10. This is better than this is better than Anthropic. The design anyway. Whether everything else is, I'm not sure. I'm going to be testing this out a bit more, guys, for sure. This is a huge pass for me. This is potentially the best one I've ever seen. I think it is the best one I've ever seen. We got some competition, boys. OpenAI is back in the race. Leave a like, leave a comment if you want me to talk a little bit more about ChatGPT and OpenAI. I'll leave the video there, guys. Check out the school community. It'll be the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching all the way to the end, you're an absolute legend. And holy shit, OpenAI is back, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content as well. Peace out.